how to earn from Bybit sign up. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to earn from Bybit by sign up in the Bybit app. So first off, after you sign up in the Bybit app, so the next thing to do after you complete your verification, you need to tap on this, your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile like this, so the next thing to do, you wait the profile to load. So after your profile has been loaded, so now if it is your first time, so if you look at this option, as you can see, it says embark on your BIP journey, deposit 50 USDT, unlock BIP or trial. Just tap on this option where it says reward hub. So after you tap on the reward hub, if it is your first time in the Bybit, you sign off. So if you come to this option now, you'll be able now to see different reward that Bybit gives you for only you because you sign up the Bybit for the first time. If you scroll to down, just go ahead now and complete, like, read all the conditions. You'll be able to see like chances for you to earn free USDT much more than someone who has like been on the Bybit for a long period of time. If you are opening Bybit for the first time, just come to this option. After you come to this option, go to the tax section. After you go to the tax section, so from this option now, Bybit will give you different tax to complete. So as you can see now, they will give you different tax to complete. They will like ask you to deposit some money, or like they ask you to to trade for like $100 or $5 or just something like that. After you complete all those taxes, you'll be able to get credited in your Bybit app like 20 USDT, 100 USDT, sometimes even 500 USDT for you in your Bybit account. If you want to participate in one of the reward that they gives you as a first time in the Bybit, you should just tap on the accept button. After you tap on the accept button, so as you can see here, it says it will show you are in. So from there, tap on the join button. Just tap on the join. After you tap on the join, so from there, now they'll ask you now to complete some tax. If you want to read the condition of the tax, you just tap on this option. After you tap on this option, so from there, they will now give you like a script for you to read and read the condition of the tax. After you complete the tax, so from there, go back. After you go back, just complete the tax. So from there, you should just wait for the time they gives you after you complete the tax. So if they credited your account, you should just go to this asset button. After you go to the asset at the bottom right side, so from there, you'll be able now to see the balance that Bybit gives you by completing the tax as a new sign up in the Bybit, or as a new member in the Bybit app. And that's it, guys, on how to earn from Bybit by sign off. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.